We are fine up here. I'm gonna get this dumb fucking alive, man.
It's my home. I'm home.
Is this a new
Yeah, now I'm gonna stop the Russians from blowing up the new
I
map.
asked the
They're trying to
commander
stop
for
the
a
new
team, and I
winter
got
Olympics.
these assholes. I wonder how this is gonna
Shut
go.
the fuck up. Fucking missile launcher. Yep. There it goes. Fuck! Canadian, you pal!
I'm playing with
over there.
Crazy.
Oh, you're over there. My bad.
Revan and Stein.
Alright, boys, let's have a nice clean match.
Keep it calm, stay safe.
Alrighty.
I gotta be playing into this thing. What the fuck?
I don't know what gun to go
I
for.
skipped another.
Dude, I
phase.
wish they added a fucking lever action. I wish there was a lever action in here.
Look, they need. I'm just gonna go through the front. Oh fuck! Alright, motherfuckers, who wants next? Down, you dumb man. Talk about a crack shot. You guys want more? Come on! Just gotta make sure. Oh shit. Ah!
Got three on the roof.
Me. You need to get a shot. I will kill you. Whose weapon just fell to the floor? Oh, that's a plant. What am I doing? Oh shit. Whoa, whoa, whoa! Someone had my ass. This is some sort of storage closet. Open up! Truck police!
Room clear.
Oh, a long time to use this. Impact, bitch!
JC, I'm on the other side.
Roger.
Who is that lying on the first floor?
Ah! Damn it! I didn't clear the room up there. Why the fuck am I walking so slow?
Oh, we got issues.
Who the
It's only
who the
red-
fuck is always dead? Hey, so from the entrance, if you're facing from the entrance, there should be like two on the right. One laying down.
Oh, Jordan, you want to see?
KZ, in that window?
May
No, never mind.
God rest me.
There's two over here and this side window.
The mission's a failure. Pull back.
Fuck.
Revan, no.
Alright,
Revan.
round two. We finna get litty in this bitty. Come on, y'all. On me, boys.
Fuck no, you're not FBI.
Clock is ticking. Let's make this count.
Okay, these niggas are trash. I'm gonna just go on my own.
I think I killed him already.
fuck's sake.
You're not getting in. Take it off. I want to see hands, and I'm gonna put a warrant out for you.
Surprise, bitch! That's your ass for fucking with me.
Who the fuck are you? Excuse me.
What the fuck? Man, I'm about to teabag, yo. I'm about to teabag this nigga right here. Oh, yeah. Son, you see me? You see me?
Stand back, son. Stand back, son. On the fucking ground. Get on the fucking ground, motherfucker. Get on the fucking ground right now. On the fucking ground.
Jesus. No?
Fucking ground.
Nigga, I'm right here. Do you not see me? There we go.
Oh, nice.
I didn't even know me.
Found the bomb. Bomb should be down below, then let's make our way down there.
Let's go, people. We gotta go. Finish it. Yeah.
Hold on. Did someone search this fucking room?
I already did. I think so, yeah.
Whoa, look out.
What? I just searched that room. Like, what the hell?
Damn bombs in the bomb. Trevor. You get over here, Fred. What was that?
The fuck did he say? I need to know these voices.
I have a hostage here. I don't know what to do.
Kill that fucker.
Open up, Detroit police!
Fred's still alive. She's that sheriff.
Oh, sorry. The actual thing is taking a prisoner. Sorry, my bad. Said the wrong thing.
Dumbass.
Shut the fuck up.
You guys feel the bomb, I swear to God.
You start fighting, motherfucker. Fred, why are you rolling with a fucking pistol?
Bomb down. Because I want to.
Bombs in the office.
Let me live out my fantasies of a pistolero. Or...
Give me some
I
room.
went this Wolver instead. I don't fuck you.
Get the fuck out of here.
How about you kiss my balls?
Cow pass.
Let me do my job.
You guys are terrible at your jobs!
Fred's gone, guys.
Alrighty. He decided to upgrade his island. Let's see what he has in store for us.
Oh, guys, y'all seen the new Epstein release? Like the new files and shit got released?
No, I didn't. Yeah, I heard.
They got a picture of Michael Jackson and Oprah in it.
Yeah.
I don't know what gun they use. I don't know what they use.
You already know. I'm going with my Long John shotgun. Let's get it, man.
20. I tried this.
Everybody on me.
Call of Duty Black Ops 1.
Oh, damn. We can break it. That's crazy. What the fuck are you doing? He has a felony.
Remember,
We
capture
got
him
niggas coming
alive
up.
and to be again execution when we're all there. We need that nigga alive.
Detroit police, open up!
FBI!
Hey, yo, my guy, wrong department.
Make sure that fucker's dead, yeah!
Okay, this place has changed.
Double tap. Remember, double tap. Double tap and then.
Be careful, careful. Someone breached the door. I got you.
Going to the basement.
Somebody's in there. Seriously.
Oh,
They have their laundry room.
Since when do you
Okay.
have laundry? This nigga, he only wears one shirt. What the hell?
What the fuck is this?
Whoa.
What the hell's done here? The fuck is all this?
This nigga.
Holy
shit.
He got heavy on. Okay, watch your shit.
Yo, we just found a fucking weapon cache down here. Fucking Epstein got a big ass 50 cal fucking machine gun down here.
He does have a big ass cat. He does have a big ass cat. And he has a tool rack now.
We need to capture one of these fuckers alive. We need to get intel on this shit.
I got a tape.
Threat code, Epstein.
I got a taser. Open up, Z4. Oh shit! Watch out! Thanks for the assist. Shit, I just skipped the kill. I just fucking hit out. Open up, Detroit police! Oh, Epstein's dead. Yeah. Oh, there goes that opportunity. What the fuck? Okay, well at least someone had to get him. What's up, man? Oh my god, you scared the hell out. Is that Jesus? Oh, that's somebody else. You're the sayonara, motherfucker. Let's go way up. I got this room. You guys go up. Shit. Bitch, please.
Fucker was prepared for us. We got contact!
Hey, I got a hostage. I got a hostage, y'all. Tell me where he is. Where is he? Where is he? What do you know about him? There are consequences to saying the N-word.
How do you know? How do you know?
The motherfucker tried to pull a gun on me. I killed his ass. Coming through, mother. Oh shit. Hey guys, I'm a little fucked up. I don't know how to use my guns.
What happened?
I don't know how to use my guns. Oh my god, I'm gonna die. I'm alright.
He went down. He's down below.
Oh.
We won't make it.
I shot one of them in the balls. They're not gonna have kids anymore.
Jesus.
Nasty fucks. They left banana peels everywhere. Okay, you've been playing too much Ready or Not. You need to calm down there, buddy.
Guys, I think he has a child.
Right out.
Oh, yeah, the fucking, well, it might be twins, I'm gonna be honest. He might have twins. Cause...
Or he just bought a
Killed him
bug
too.
for the hell of it.
Kill the twin.
Hey, I'm right here, mate.
I know.
Why did I just turn my strategy?
So, who has the chip? Cause it's down here, middle. Or I guess...
Doesn't Fred have it?
Fuck. All I have is a chip.
Where's Fred?
No fucking idea.
Probably jacking off.
Where's Fred?
Main floor to the...
Contact!
Main floor!
Moving out.
Greetings, gentlemen.
Hello, Governor.
Alright. Did y'all put the chip in or what?
No, we got a chip on the ground floor by the
Good, bro?
kitchen.
Bruh.
Are you okay?
No, I hit my foot.
Oh, damn.
I hit my foot. Yeah, come on.
Who's behind this door?
Oh gosh. There was a baby crib in here. This fucking sick fuck.
Like what they did with the place. I might actually buy this when I'm done.
Yeah.
You're gonna buy his house.
Brother, you're gonna buy a dead person's house?
I mean, he's not gonna use it.
Check those doors!
I could finally, all my kids in here, finally. I have 5 of them.
Standing in front of me.
I don't
Who
think you
wants
want
next?
to move kids into a house that had a guy who had kids in the house.
I got a hell of a lot more. Oh shit. Fine. Oh my. Nigga, you shot it off of its hinges, Jesus. Let's get the hell out of here, boys. I love my job.
The drunk ass mountain was not here, I just realized.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
You realize that now?
Oh yeah, I
didn't realize it until now.
I'm just not what was
I didn't notice it. I said something. Like, oh, the car's a little bit smaller. It looks like.
Yeah,
It is not small. It's so different.
Hey guys, can someone cover me? I only have a shotgun and a taser. Alright.
Pistol.
How much ammo you got? Here, take this.
Our ammo isn't even compatible. I have a taser
Take
and a
this.
shotgun.
Take this right here. Use that.
I can! Oh my
Yeah,
god!
you sure can. Just put the magazines in your belt. Put the magazines in your belt.
These mags are empty! Okay, I'm just gonna
Get
use
in the
this for-
fucking circle!
I'm just gonna use this for intimidation. I don't Hiya! Check your fucking front! Damn it!